Hi, and welcome to the 16th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, well, they refer to me as DJ, and I'm from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. Today, we are going to be reviewing shading. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, software, and so much more. So let's begin. Shading is also referred to as applying fill colors, patterns, gradient effects to cells. Let's call it shading for today. You can also add emphasis to particular sections of the worksheet or one of its tables by changing the fill color of the cell selection and or applying a pattern or gradient to it. If you're using a black and white printer, you want to restrict your color choices to light gray in the color palette. To choose a new fill color for the background of a cell selection, you can click the Fill Color button, drop down menu to the font group on the Home tab, and then select the color that you want. So let's take a look at shading. Okay, what I did for you here is an Excel spreadsheet that we've worked on previously in our podcast. And what we're going to show you today is shading. So let's say over here to the right, okay, it's white right now, but let's bold in those cells. Okay, what you want to do, you are now in your Home tab here at the top. You want to go to Font, okay? See this Font section right here, the second section? Go ahead and point on the down arrow, and in this little paint can, if you will, it'll say Fill Color. If you click on the down arrow, it's going to give you all the different, see over to the right, all the different things that you can use as a fill color other than white, okay? If you're not using a color printer, as the directions said in the Excel book, what you want to do is kind of stick to the grays and blacks, which will show up with a black and white printer. So let's go ahead, right there is the white, see you can't see the cells. Then let's go to 2 down. Click on that. When I click away in another cell, you can see it is now shaded the background, where you can now go ahead and type in there, but it's going to show you the background as being shaded. That's what shaded is. Now let's bold that in again, and let's take it back to white. So again, Home, the font area, right here the paint can, click on the down arrow, and we're going to change it back to white. And when you click anywhere, see it's gone. Again, Control Save so that we can save our chart without that change, okay? And let's go back to our directions. That is how you shade your document. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about the Excel program. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel Program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.